Hey guys, it's me Stace and hubby Nick. Today we were back in the kitchen. We're making apple crisp. I found this on Pinterest. I will have the full recipe below. We already did prep everything. I have an 8x8 pan. We used 4 Granny Smith apples. And this is the butter mixture. Then you have your crumb topping, which is basically just oatmeal, brown sugar, and butter. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is pour the butter mixture over the apples. And you have to get a spoon to mix them.
All of it?
Yep. And in that mixture we have flour, butter, lemon juice, milk, vanilla extract, brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt is in that mixture. And the crumb topping, which is going to go on the apples when we're done, that's flour, old-fashioned oats, brown sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, salt.
Big old bowl of Apple Jacks.
That's a bad cereal. Gives you a sour stomach, doesn't it?
Eat too much.
Yeah. Let me taste.
Apple Jacks.
Tastes like apple pie, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Here. That's pretty good, actually.
Right.
Alright, pour that in there. And I'm going to spread it into an even layer. That's actually really good. And it's going to bake at 375 for 30 to 35 minutes. Oh, that's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a fall dessert, isn't it? Apple pie or apple crisp.
Yeah. Good?
Yep. Now you pour your crumb topping over on top. Or I'd probably sprinkle it on top. There's actually a lot of crumb topping. So I'll have the full recipe for this below and also on my blog. If you guys make this, you can share it in my gallery as well. Do you need all that crumb topping?
Mm. Find out.
Do you have a lot left? Alright. That goes in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Then you gotta let it cool for 10 minutes. We'll come back, guys, when this is all done, let you guys know what we think. Alrighty, hubby has taken it out of the oven. How long? 30 minutes?
30 minutes. It's boiling.
Now we gotta let it sit on a pick because it's piping hot. We let it sit for 10 minutes until it cools off, then we can... There you go. No, you want to give me a fork? I pulled an apple out. I want to taste it. Want to taste? Apples are done. And they're not like limpy. What do you think? Hot?
Hot.
Alright, we'll come back when it cools off. Alrighty guys, it has been 10 minutes. Hubby's going to cut it. It may not cut, it might just have to crumble. That's pretty good. The crumb topping isn't all that crumbly.
Still hot.
It is. That sauce, you're gonna eat all that?
Oh.
That sauce is really good though. What do you think? I like my apple pie cold. Do you like it cold or warm?
Cold.
Yeah, me too. Not bad though. And I think the apples are still good. They're not mushy. Do you think so?
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
Very good.
What do you think of the crumb topping? It's not too crumbly though, huh?
Oats are kind of weird.
Yeah, I think you always do oats though, and pretty good. I'll eat it. And it was exactly 30 minutes, right? Alright guys, there you have it. Apple crisp. Hubby approved, I approved. We'll make it again. Yeah?
Yep.
More for fall though. I'm gonna keep on eating it.
Okay.
I do like the crumb topping though. I just don't like how it's not all, it's still powdery. Yeah, it's pretty good. And I'll have the recipe below and also on my blog. Hope he likes it. And the girls can have this, right? Apple pie?
Wait.
Alright. I'll let you guys go. Hubby approves, I approve. Pretty good. Yeah?
Yep.
Alright guys, any questions, let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. You say bye?
Bye.